Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick and super useful guide for all of you playing Arena Breakout Infinity. If you're looking to change your server for better ping or smoother gameplay, you're in the right place. Let's jump right straight. Step 1. Download and install Lego Fast. It's a game booster tool that makes switching servers incredibly easy. And yes, that's a free trial, so you try it and risk-free. Once it's installed, just open it up, type in Arena Breakout Infinity and select the game from the results. Now, for step 3, choose the server you want. Whether you're aiming for lower ping or playing with friends in a different region, Lagofast gives you full control. Step 4, hit the boost button. You instantly see your real-time ping and packet loss stats, helping you pick the smoothest experience possible. Bonus tip, inside the Lagofast Game Tools tab, there is a custom crosshair tool. The custom crosshair tool, with just one click, you can fine tune your crosshair without touching any code. Super helpful for players who want precision without hassle. Now, here's something new. During the test period, Arena Breakout Infinity Lagofast is offering beta test accounts and Steam CDKs via the G2G store. Just go to the Game Tools tab and look for the test account for sale option. Or if you're into Twitch, you can grab Twitch drops rewards using Lagofast built-in giveaway tool. No complex setup, just easy access to beta keys and rewards. And hey, Lagofast is not the only way. You can also check the in-game settings for a manual server selection option. Browse community forums and Reddit for server change tricks, or even wait for server rotation, which happens periodically in some games. But if you want the easiest and fastest and most reliable method, Lagofast is definitely the way to go. That's it for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you give or have got any questions. Catch you in the next one, and happy gaming.